So look what I found on my stairs. A little cute bird. I think she's lost from her mom. She stays on my hand. Come on, look. Look at this. Hey. It's just a baby. It's just a baby. So cute. Hello there. How you feel today? Oh, you don't like it. It's too bright. Let's see. You go here? Come on. Come on. Come. Come on. No, you don't want? You want to stay in my hand? You want to stay in my hand? Come on, stay here. Come on. No? Let's take some pictures. Smile. Come on. Let's go to your mom. Let's go to your mom. Where is your mom? Where is your mom? Come on, fly. No, you don't want to fly? You want to stay with me? Are you sure? You want to stay with me? You want to stay with me? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you want to stay with me? Oh, come on. Let's go inside if you want to stay with me. Come on, stay here on my bench. Come on. Come on. No? No, you don't want? Look! Oh, so cute. She wanna sleep. Come on. Look, this is your baby. Hey, your mom is there. Why you don't fly? You like me? I think you do. I think you do. It's so cute. Hey, you sure you wanna stay with me? Oopsie, oopsie. You love it. Yes. Oh, so cute. She wanna sleep. You wanna sleep again? You wanna sleep again? You just wake up. You just find your mom. You don't wanna go with your mom. Why you don't wanna go with your mom? You wanna stay with me here? You wanna stay with me? Smile to the camera. So she just sleep on my hand. Look, small baby sleeping on my hand. So cute. When you're a baby, you don't know about danger. So this baby doesn't know because I'm a human. She just stay and sleep in my hand. She just like it. Let her sleep and we come back later. So I put my bird, this bird, on my hair, and I think she just like it. Hello. And I am outside here and doesn't want to fly again. After a couple hours, still love me. Come on, come on. Fly. Come on. Your mom is there. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No? You don't want? You wanna stay with me? She just doesn't wanna fly. You can walk all over the place, and she just doesn't wanna fly. Come on. No? You're gonna be a star. Yes. You're gonna be a star. You don't wanna fly. Nah, you just like that hair. This bird, it's amazing. Come on, let's go out again. Let's see. You fly this time. You're gonna go to your mom. Come on, fly. Ah, you don't want it. You don't want, you don't want. Yes. You don't want, you do. Come. Yeah! She just fly. She just fly. Wow, that's amazing.